Well, my Pulse 2 I had for the longest time, and now I'm going to unbox a Pulse 3, the new addition to my set of Bluetooth speakers. Let me play here from the app on the Pulse 2 while I unbox the new thing. We see immediately that the box is a little taller. That seems to be promising. That's how the box looks like. Nice. And then let's open the tape. They're brand new. Just ordered. Open this little flap here. Let's see, did we use the 2 as a placeholder. Okay, so there's a little flyer in there. It comes with a free app. Explains a few things you can do with it. And then this is like a foam cover protection, nothing in it. Okay, and then here is the speaker with this wrapper around it, and then here is a little box. Let's see what the box does. I'm gonna open it without destroying it. Use my knife here to get those lids up, and then I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh, I see already a charger. Very good. A manual. What else? It doesn't want to come out. There, what is this? There's a cable in there. We just have to see how we get it out. So this is a USB charge cable, the same as the Pulse 2. So the orange cables and the orange charger. Easy to find if you misplace them in your house. Just look for orange. Let's open this up. Looks like the old one. Same size, I would say. And then our charge cable. There it is. Very good. Fits in here. 110 on this side. This seems to be a new USB connector here, so you can put this in both directions. And then this end. Alright, let's open the bag. There's a tape. I can't wait to see. There it goes. Wow, look at that. How shiny that is. Nice. Okay, let's turn it on. Nice. So there will be the next video, a comparison between those two.